Hello everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can create a beautiful wishlist page for your WordPress WooCommerce website. So first of all, let me just go to my WordPress dashboard. I've already logged in here. Okay, you can see that this is my WordPress dashboard, and from here click on plugins and then click on add new. From here, search for TI wishlist, TI wishlist, and you can see that we have get a result called TI wishlist. It's by template invaders. Okay, this plugin already have more than 80,000 plus active installs. Okay, and it's a really great plugin for creating a WordPress WooCommerce wishlist page. So simply just click on install now. And from here, click on activate. And this will take us to the setup wizard. And we have to set up the wishlist plugin. Click on let's go. And from here, you have to give a wishlist page name. Simply enter a page name. Let me enter my wishlist page name, customer wishlist. Okay, and from here select create automatically. Okay, and after that click on continue, and then scroll a little bit, and from here we can select the button position of the wishlist button. I want to show the button after the add to cart button. Okay, and you can choose from this drop down. You can add this wishlist before the add to cart. Okay, so simply just scroll down a little bit and you can see that what the text will say. This will say add to wishlist. Okay, and make sure to enable this. Okay, just keep this default. You don't have to click here. Okay, just keep this default. And after that, you can see that add to wishlist text in product listing. This is going to show in the product listing page. I mean, in the shop page. Okay, this will say add to wishlist. Okay, and if you want to show anything else, then you can just simply remove and enter your own custom text. But I don't want to enter custom text, so just simply enter the default text here, and from here click on continue, and then scroll down a little bit, and from here select automatically. Okay, and then click on continue. You can select manual. Okay, but just keep that automatically. Okay, and from here select all of this. The user can easily share the products to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp. Okay, and also to clipboard. Actually, this is the clipboard button, and share by email, etc., etc. Okay, actually, this is a really effective feature. So simply click on continue. Okay, and then scroll down a little bit, and from here click on return to dashboard, to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, we have successfully created our wishlist page. At the left hand side, you will be able to see all the settings related to this TI wishlist plugin for WooCommerce. You can see that here is all the settings that we have already set up. Okay, and then go to the front end of your website and visit the shop page, and scroll down a little bit, and you can see the wishlist option appears in the product listing here, add to wishlist. Okay, if I click in this button right now, add to wishlist, the product will be added to the wishlist. And let me just click on view wishlist. Okay, this will take us to the wishlist page, and you can see that here is our wishlist page. We have successfully added the product to our wishlist, and if we want, we can simply add this product to the cart from here. And if I click on add to cart, this will add the product to the cart. Okay, you can see that here is a success message called view cart. Okay, and the product removed from the wishlist page because we have added this product to the cart. Simply click on view cart, and from here the user can easily click on proceed to checkout, or they can also apply a coupon code, etc., etc., and they can easily order the product. Okay, so let me just go back to the product listing page again. Okay, and from here, let me just click on add to wish list again, click on view wish list, and from here you can see that you can do a lot of things. You can apply action, or you can remove the product from here. Okay, just simply select, and from here click on remove and apply action. If you click on apply action, this is going to remove the product. Okay, so I hope that you have understand. And we also have this share icon here. The user can easily share this product, okay, that we have set up from the setup wizard. Okay, so let me just visit the product single page. Select a product from your product list. Okay, and you'll be able to see the product the single page wish list button right here. You can see that it says add to wish list. Okay, so simply the user can also click on add to wish list, and they will be added this specific product to the wish list page. Okay, simply if I click on add to wish list, you can see that we have successfully added this product from our single product page to our wish list, and you can see that this is the product that we have added to wish list. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use the wishlist page. So I hope that this video is really helpful for you, and make sure to subscribe our channel for more WordPress related tutorials like this. And please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.